As you can see, we're out on the water just for a few hours, just to enjoy getting out doing something different. Grant is here. What's your channel's name, Grant?
Grant's Wheels to Hills. I can do it all from here if you want. If you want to put your paddle.
Been a while. It's been, I'm trying to think now. Well, at least 8 or 9 years, I think. Too long, isn't it? I do love it though, because I find it's so peaceful on the water, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you see a lot of birds, and it's a different perspective, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's something nice about carrying all your gear and just pulling over at the end of the day, and
Not so lightweight, is it? Shall I try and land it then?
yeah, do you want me to stop?
It's not so much stop as maybe get, I've got to land it somehow. It's quite tricky actually, isn't it? It's quite tricky in such a small space, and it's drifting a little bit. We might need to get to the bank actually, because the thing is we're moving, you see.
Okay. Yeah, right.
Hold on.
Sorry, Richard.
Yeah, we need to get to the bank over there, I think. I think there's a better place straight on.
I'll get you just straight to the bank.
So really, I've got to just try and land it
Yeah,
here, haven't I?
okay.
So it could fly, as long as it goes down into the boat, it's fine.
I'll take.
It doesn't fall in the water. Or I can just land it on the bank. Can I get on the bank here or not?
Yeah, and I'm holding on. Yeah, it's quite solid. I'm holding on.
I think that's easier, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
And get back in the boat again.
Take your time. Yeah, you do that, and then we'll talk. You get the drone first.
I'll take it over there. Just hold it there for a minute. I think so, yeah. Otherwise I think I'm going to drop it in the water.
You can see the bank.
Oh.
Stand up, Richard. First. That's it. I'll take a step back behind the seat like you did when you got in. Alright, time.
Okay.
Yeah,
1,
you
2,
go
3,
for it,
go.
for it.
Oh. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I've got it.
We might as well stop here for lunch, shall we?
Yeah, why not?
I'm glad we retrieved it. I was beginning to.
Do you want me to come and hold the boat? It's easier, isn't it?
Alright.
Yeah?
You're doing all the work. Thank you, Richard. Yeah, it's a lovely spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
2 days.
I've just learnt that lesson, I think.
And I got like thinner sausages because they cook quicker.
Yes.
Otherwise, take forever, don't they? Well, it's nice to do a bit of camping.
You don't mind doing the cooking?
No, of course not.
But when I exercise, I go right off my feed. And I know to you as well. Yeah, we are. Well, I'm certainly. Wow. I'm honoured. I didn't realise there was two.
It's a big one, a small one.
No, you carry on. I've got more than enough there. Oh, I see. Right. Oh, okay. Just walk it down with the gunnels. You have a bit of control over it, if you see what I mean. And I've got the pointers.
So we've got the wind behind us.
We have it. It's making all the difference.
Because I don't really contribute much to this.
I've been main catering steward today.
And filming.
And filming.
Trying not to lose the drone.
And ice axe
Oh.
finder. Wow.
There's a big fish.
Yeah.
There's some huge pike in here. Yeah, we would have camped, but not tonight, next time. We could have had a night with the frogs. Yeah, I got that one.
Okay, Richard.
Me first. Take it me.
Suddenly feels a lot warmer when you come off the water, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, I forgot to put the washing out this morning. You alright?
Yeah.
Put it on the grab, I will take the stuff out.